See. So big. Put more. Put more. Russell. Put. Put so much sand. So much. Bas.
But I can still see him in my sleep. His big eyes.
Well, I don't know what I felt when I was abused, because I think I didn't realize it that time. I realized it later that I was abused, because that time the person I was with was I liked that person. He was my tutor, and I felt that little guilt inside, that maybe because went and sat on his lap or something like that. Maybe I invited it.
Well, whatever happened did, affect the physical intimacy in the beginning, because it was like initially, though I had spoken to Amit about it, not the abuse, but whatever the inhibitions I had related to marriage. So I had spoken to him about it, but the doubts were there. The doubts were still there. So he gave me time. He gave me the space of understanding what marriage is, and the relationship is the between the two people.
What's most strange is that I'm gay today, and I'm thinking of making love to men most of the time. It would be completely wrong if I'd say that it doesn't have an impact on my life. It definitely has an impact on my life. To an extent, if I can be absolutely shameless and utter this, I till date cannot have anal sex.
Personal safety guidelines. It is never alright to look, touch, or talk about your private body parts except to keep them safe and hygienic. It is not okay for anyone to make you look, touch, or talk about their body parts. Any touch on any part of your body that makes you feel uncomfortable is not okay. If someone does any of the above to you, you have to say no and run away. Once you say no and run away, tell a trusted adult.
A child can know all the personal safety rules, and still we are very often in the case of a family member where the trust is very large, the offender can still get away with probably touching the child, especially if it's a parent. So largely our goal with the personal safety education is that at least the child knows that it's not my fault.
The shadow of what had happened about the abuse does come. It still comes, but his love, I give that his love and his his relationship more priority than what had happened. I keep that as a bygone thing now, because I've understood what it was, and I know that it was not my fault.
We are a very showcase nation. You have to be a showcase of emotions for people to realize, and that's what I have understood. And to evoke that emotion in someone else, you have to come out and say, see, I was sexually abused, see, I was raped, see, this happened with me. It's not very easy.